All right, guys, I got back from West Coast Van Fest just in time. I've already taken down the fence. My daughter and her husband took it down. Still got a few posts to pull out, but they're getting ready to install the septic tank, which is awesome. But I don't know if I've ever showed you guys where the house is going, or my ADU, my tiny house. It's going to be about 480 square feet approximately. So this peg to that peg, and then 36 feet back, I think it is. Going to about here. So here up to those posts. Sorry, it goes out of focus every time. But yeah, they're doing this coming tomorrow for the septic. They've already dug up some holes. Let's see where the lines are coming out. Guess down to there. So yeah, they start that tomorrow, which will be cool. Starting the process of getting the septic upgraded for both our properties. And yeah, they have to do almost the entire length of the backyard. And well, you can see the orange line there and the orange lines over there. So it's about 3 meters ish wide, and it has to stay 1.5 meters off from the fence in the back there. But I think the build starts sometime this week too, so I got to get over to Blake's shop, Earthright Shelters, and see if they've started building yet, because I'd like to get that process filmed as well. It's going from this line all the way over to the fence line on the other side. So yeah, exciting to see stuff actually starting. Crazy. I think I've picked out most of my appliances already. Still got to pick out furniture. Since I sold everything in Ontario, I have no furniture except for an old antique radio of my grandparents. So yeah, I got some shopping to do. But that's okay. I like it. Anyhow, we'll probably see you guys tomorrow when they show up to start digging some more holes. Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, let's go check out the backyard today, see what's going on. I think they're working on the weeping tiles or whatever they're called, leach field, whatever it is. We started bright and early this morning. They're already here by the time I woke up. Yeah, let's check it out. Oh yeah. So I guess that's all the piping that goes through. I guess those are all the drainage pipes for the liquid waste, I guess. Yeah, pretty neat. Never seen septic before, so yeah, pretty interesting. So they are done, other than coming back to replace a couple lids. I don't know why they put these dome lids on the property. Nobody wants them. Even they told me that they came with these dome lids, but they do have flat lids. So they're going to replace these two lids over here. And yeah, they put some topsoil down so we can go grow grass in a few months. Obviously, it's not good to grow grass in the middle of summer. It's not going to grow very well. So yeah, this is it. And then next week they start building the walls and roof on my tiny house. So I got to be back for that, of course, to get a time lapse. But yeah, stuff getting done. I'm excited. But enough talking shit. Let's go camping. All right, we're all set up. I love this spot. With a view like that, can't be beat, pretty much. Love the mountains. Love the mountain, snow-capped mountain on the end there. Just freaking beautiful. I love it. But yeah, nice little fire pit we got here. There's even an old bathtub on the beach that people have been using to use as a hot tub, I guess. I don't know. But anyhow, I'm going to spend some time here for sure. I love this spot. Oh yeah, something else I wanted to show you guys. Guess I haven't shown you all week because I've been busy with the septic system. Yeah, let's go check this out. Something I 3D printed. I designed it myself. Well, I kind of designed it myself. But anyhow, these little screw caps. I made these because dirt was always getting in these holes. So I made these little caps. Took a couple iterations to get it to the right size. Yeah, they fit in there nice and tight. And yeah, I only made them out of PLA material, so I'm wondering if they're going to warp or bend or melt with the summer heat. But I do have different filaments, stronger filaments, so that I can print those out. But these were just a trial run. I did upload it to the Maker World site. So yeah, hopefully those work out. It's nice not having dirt pile up in those areas and having those holes covered. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about my first 3D print design. I like it. Well, hello, Miss Uma. Nice of you to make an appearance. Would you like to come outside for a little bit? Come on. Come on. What, it's not sunny? It's not raining. What's up, guys? Had a lot of rain last night. But man, I've been sleeping so well up here. I really needed this after spending over a week in my daughter's driveway. Yeah, to be back here at this beautiful spot, even though it's raining, I really don't care. I love it. But anyway, yeah, all these rigs, there are people here that I guess abandoned their rigs up here. But anyhow, this fan that I won at the West Coast Van Fest, I got to figure out where I'm putting the thing. I'm figuring, I still got my laundry back here that I got to put away. But I'm thinking of maybe putting it up by that speaker up there. That way I can fold it up and under. I think that might be the best spot, or maybe on the other side over there. But yeah, it's a permanent installation. I need to run 12 volts from my fuse panel, which is under my bed, and figure out how to get a wire up to the top there. I wonder if I could wire it into the that light strip underneath the cabinet, because that has 12 volts going to it. So yeah, I have to figure that out because I really want to get this up there. Because these are a little pricey, these fans. I'm so glad I won it. I've wanted one for a few years. I just didn't want to spend a couple $100 on a fan. I got better things to spend a couple $100 on. But yeah, I had to put all my chair and carpet and everything away just because of the rain. Looks like we're getting more today. It's just going to be gray all day. But that's okay. I'm up at this beautiful spot. Hear the water lapping on the beach and everything. And Miss Uma being a good girl. She's doing really well since her surgery. She has to go in 2 more weeks to get x-rays to see how it's healing and stuff. Apparently the x-rays are free. That was part of the payment, that they get free x-rays at 8 weeks. But then she'll still have another 4 weeks of being on leash and stuff. There's nobody here right now, so I can leave her off. She's not going to spaz out, hopefully. Yeah, I'm just going to hang out here. If it's raining all day, I'm just going to organize more stuff in the van. Maybe check into the 12-volt stuff and relax. But Blake called me today from Earthright Shelters saying they've already started on the walls on my house, unfortunately. Well, fortunately, I'm glad they're building them, but I just wanted to be there for the time lapse. But it is what it is. I'll get there next week and set up the camera maybe up high so you can get a shot up high because they haven't done the roof yet. So yeah, exciting. Walls are going up, ceiling's going up. Then it's, I guess, electrical and plumbing, and then drywall. So yeah, it's going to be good to take a walk through the place and actually get a feel for the place and see what kind of furniture I'll need, what size couch and everything else. But yeah, can't wait to do a little walkthrough of the framed in space and everything and get a feel for it. Getting excited for sure. But anyhow, I think that's it for the week. Septic's in. I'm camping. I'm happy. Uma's happy. Life is good. I like it. Yeah, if you wouldn't mind subscribing if you haven't already, I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.